Good morning, everyone. How are you? Today, we are going to work on a very practical and real life situation, making a complaint in English, but doing it politely in a nice way. So, let me start with a quick question. Have you ever had a bad experience in a restaurant, maybe? Some food delay or some problem with service? Maybe the food was cold, the order was too long, or it was wrong, and service was bad. Think about for a minute and now imagine this situation. You're in a restaurant, something is wrong, and you need to speak to the waiter. What do you say? How do you sound polite but clear? This is exactly what we are going to practice today. All right? So by the end of this session, you will be able to understand short listening and respond using polite and professional English. Let's begin. Imagine you hear a customer speaking to a waiter and listen to the situation in your mind. The customer has a problem with the order. So here's the first question. What is the problem? The customer received the wrong food, right? Now, how does the customer sound? Angry or polite? My wife always telling me what to say in this kind of situation because I get really, really upset. The customer sounds calm and polite. And this is important. In English, tone matters a lot. So now I'm going to model some useful phrases. So listen carefully. Excuse me, there seems to be a problem with my order. I ordered chicken, but I received fish instead. So could you please check this? Notice the structure. First, get attention politely, then explain the problem, and third, ask for the solution. Let's repeat one together. Excuse me, there seems to be a problem with my order. Good. One more time. Excuse me, there seems to be a problem with my order. Let's practice. I want you to imagine you are in a restaurant, your food is cold, and what do you say? You can start like this. Excuse me, there seems to be a problem. My food is cold. Could you please help me? And so on. So this is clear and polite, right? Now, we move to the next step. You are going to work in pairs. One person is the customer and the other person is the waiter. So it's a role play. The customer explains the problem and the waiter responds. Take a moment and try. Now we are going to use technology. I want you to take your phone and record a short message. Imagine you're a customer. There is a problem with your food. In your message, explain the problem and ask for a solution, and then try to use a polite language. Speak for about 30 seconds. After you record, listen to your message and ask yourself, was it clear? Was I polite or not? What there is room for improvement? What things can we do better? This step is very important because it helps you improve your speaking. So now let's review what we did today. You learn how to identify a problem in a listening situation. You practice polite expressions. You spoke in a real world context, and then you use technology to reflect your speaking. Before we finish, think about this question. Why is it politeness important in English communication? Yes, you got it. It helps to communicate effectively and respectfully in any work scenario. So great work today. Remember, be clear, be polite, and offer a solution. This is effective communication. All right. Thank you so much. See you next time. Bye-bye.